Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add very colorful filters to your videos on CapCut. So open the video that you like. I do want to say that it's better on like sceneries than on people, so keep that in mind. So I'm just going to go to filters, and then I'm going to go to style, and here you'll have these colorful filters. There's vapor, punk, sepia, red, orange, lime, and neon. I like these ones, like the orange and the red one, because it makes it changes the sky color, and then you can add in more filter. For instance, this is totally up to you. But that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.